Given sine x equals 1/3 and x is between pi over 2 and pi, what is cosine x? Now remember, pi is 180 degrees, pi over 2 is 90 degrees. So we know we're in the second quadrant here. So if I draw a little picture, so we have 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and this is 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and then 2 pi is the full circle of 360 degrees. Sine is 1/3. We know we're going to be in this quadrant here between pi over 2 and pi. So sine is 1/3. We know that this point is at 0, 1. This length is 1. Therefore, our sine value is going to be 1/3. So we can just go to the left and draw our point right down there. That is where our triangle is. Okay, so this point has a sine value of 1/3. We want to know what cosine is. So we have cosine x, and we have 1/3 as our sine. Let's use the Pythagorean identity. So I'm going to move these over. All right, so we have sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. Sine is 1/3, so we have 1/3 squared plus cosine squared x equals 1. This is 1 over 9 plus cosine squared x equals 1, but I'm going to write 9 over 9 because we're about to subtract 1 over 9. Therefore, cosine squared x equals 8 over 9. Cosine x equals plus or minus the square root of 8 over the square root of 9, which is 3. Now the square root of 8 can be rewritten as the square root of 2 times 4, and then this 4 can be brought out and made a 2 out front. So we have 2 times the square root of 2 over 3, and it's plus or minus. Which one is it going to be? Here in the second quadrant, our cosine values are to the left. This value here is to the left of the y-axis, therefore it's negative. So we're going to have negative 2 times the square root of 2 over 3. The answer is C. And there is our picture. There we go.